My name's Ali,
And I'm Kartik.
and we're basically the founders of Propfolio. We're a real estate prop tech company. We are basically in the business of crowdfunding properties.
So we make real estate investments easy. You can now invest into Dubai properties starting with say 100 dirhams.
The idea came about when we were basically looking at property investments. So for you to invest in properties, basically what you need is around 500,000 dirhams to start with, at least. And then on top of that, you need to get a loan and go through the process. We're just simplifying the whole aspect of property investment. The way we do that is by offering shares in properties. So instead of you going and buying a full property, you invest in pieces of properties, and then we manage the property on your behalf. You earn your money, you save money, and you invest in property all in one go.
So we are removing the friction from real estate.
Yes.
And we are doing something which has never been done before in this part of the world.
That's one. And two, it's the fact that it was frustrating for us to invest in properties. So it's something we want to do. Properties are typically a safer investment. It's an actual physical asset, and it's very hard for someone to go on the property ladder. That's what kind of drives us every day. It's make sure that everyone has access to property investment. So far it's been great. It's been fantastic. A lot of people are coming. Everyone's curious, so it's very good.